What's up, everybody? This is Jose Ortiz from PetRockMedia.com, back again with another video, and today we're going to talk about a few new specs leaked about the brand new Sony ZV1 that should be making its way to our news feeds here in the next coming days. Let's talk about it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here or have not subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting that big red button down at the bottom and punching that bell icon so you'll be hopefully notified when we post videos on this channel or go live. So a few days ago, I made a video about the upcoming newly released from Sony, the Sony ZV1, which is slated to be the predecessor of the Sony RX100 line. Now in that video, and I'm going to link it above, you'll see some of the potential features that this camera is going to have. However, recently, according to SonyAlphaRumors.com, and I'm going to link it down below, a source has let them know that this particular new camera, the Sony ZV1, is slated to have custom picture profiles, which is going to allow you to use LUTs. Now that's pretty awesome, considering that we've never really had a camera at this price point and at this size be able to load custom LUTs into their color science. So if this is true, that's going to be pretty amazing if the Sony camera does what they're slating it's supposed to do. Now the design is a little different. The screen, instead of folding up, is going to fold out, which is kind of reminiscent of some Canon cameras. Now also what it's been told is that this camera is scheduled to be able to live stream, which is pretty awesome, considering that if you're wanting to do some live streaming for gaming, according to this rumor here, you're able to live stream over 4 hours without any issue. Now whether that's in 4K or not, we'll find out. You can still power this camera through USB, which is what I'm doing right now with the Sony RX100 Mark V. And according to them, it's supposed to have incredibly quick and amazing autofocus. As Sony has been known to deliver some great eye-tracking autofocus, this camera should have that as well. It's also going to have a custom grip, similar to what the Sony RX100 lines have. Now this camera is slated to be announced tomorrow, May 26th, 2020. Shortly thereafter, in June, we're also expected to hear more about the upcoming Sony announcement of the A7S II successor. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and once I find out information, I will definitely post a video about it. But that about wraps it up, guys. I just wanted to do a quick video just letting you guys know about some of the new features that are slated to potentially be on the brand new Sony camera, the Sony ZV1. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you in the next one. Peace.